Ready to race? Right. Hi everybody, welcome to RC Racing GH, and this is Coach Gordy, and today we are testing out our RC car. I don't have Iman here with me, but it's going to be his own very car. This Iman, this is for you. So when you're ready and you want to race with me, or if, whoever you are, you want to race with me anywhere in Accra, let me know in the comment section and I'll bring the RC Racing to your hood and we'll race together. So let's go. So this is a bigger model. This one has a gyroscope. All right. So Iman, this is going to be for me. Iman, this is going to be for you. So it's a four-wheel drive as well. Four-wheel drive, gyroscope, 1:12 ratio. So it's quite bigger. 1:12 basically means that the real model, 12 times of that reduced by scale. So let's test how it's going to be. It's more powerful. It has two different knobs, then the power and the controller. So all right guys, so this is basically what it is. It has a shock absorbers, unlike this smaller model. So this is more powerful than the other one, for this other one. So we're going to test it up right now. What else? Pull back the body. Unlike this model, for this one, the battery has to be placed inside. All right, so we have to lift and place the battery in it. But for this other model, we just place the battery underneath it. So it's quite easier.